And girls, hey, we got a 69er right here. It's a 69er on the side of that purple car down there. It's pretty funny. There goes Bo and Dill. Trailways in Hanover. Trailways in Hanover, Austin. Here we go, green flag. Let me know what's going on, Austin. Me and the woman are down. Oh, somebody spun somebody out. See you later, Dill. Yeah, thanks, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, he's leaving pieces for somebody else just in case they need them. Huh? Yeah, they said it was breaking up earlier. They said it wasn't running right. Hold tight, guys. We're on yellow flag. Not Jersey, New York. It's probably a fuel pump or something. Yep. Yeah, because they said they had to replace the fuel pump on there. Come on, dude! I really want to get a picture of the side of that car. 69er, that's just fucking hilarious.
It looks like late night back out now for 07L.
Yeah, just a tad. I don't have his number. That's Little Eddie's number. No, Little Eddie's up here. Little Eddie right there. Damn, everybody left. Too boring. Come on, 69er. Third. Come on, dude. I told Dylan right here, I said your dad's car was leaking something. So I think it was fuel or something. He's like, I don't know. Hey, how you doing, bud?
Hey! How you daddy get that shit out of here?
We're gonna go green sometime, eventually. Fuck no, everybody left me. They said, fuck this dirt car shit.
Come on, back there! Come on, Dale!
Uh-oh, Ian McDermott is watching. Woohoo! Yeah, Ian's watching, but he's also live. Come on. on, Dale. Green, 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 green. Come on, Dale. Come on, Dale, go around him. Go around him, Dale. Come on, Dale. Come on, Dale. Come on, Dale. Come on, baby. Where? Come on, Dale. So where's the leader at? Damn, that big ass fucking Taurus? Oh yeah. Yeah, the Acura. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Fifth place, Dale. You're doing good, buddy.
Come on, Dale!
Let's go, Dale. Good view up here.
I'm not gonna put my foot back and get something flat. Tomorrow you never pass.
Shit, I like them putting them in between that yellow car right there. Yeah, he did.
Alright, the report is that Bailey Crest is a little shook up, but otherwise is okay, so that is the good news.
Yeah, that's what we call a wall.
Okay, the report from
Dill is currently fifth. Hey, man, don't let that yellow car in front of him. Dill is in front of him.
Come on, Dale, get up here!
Carroll is 69.
Yeah, Dill, why the fuck that car get in front of him? He took him before the caution come out.
Black flag, Carroll machine.
Bullshit. Dill needs to go back up in front of him.
Down 9 to go.
Dill will get him again. All right, Kimberly.
Bobby Wellman, your leader. Ricky Weaver is second. John Short Jr. is third.
Oh, that's Abraham, John Short.
Jeff Dillman is fourth. Followed by Tyler Santic.
Right there's your brother.
Come on, Dale!
Let's go, Dill!
Sixth is Dylan Sheeler.
Woo!
After starting 16th.
There you go, baby.
You're 16 here.
You're it's not dealing, it's Dylan. But your dad, I think your dad broke or something, some fuel issue or something, I think. He's sitting out there in the middle if you see him. He's in the middle out there. Something, I think he was leaking fuel when he come out for practice. And they said that he was leaking fuel just now, so I don't know if a fuel pump or fuel line or something like that went out or what.
Ready Clyde is the 99, also double digit tonight.
Yeah, they said your dad's car was breaking down. You could hear it when he come out here, but like I said, definitely something fuel related. We're on a yellow right now because this guy decided not to turn and hit the wall. Oh, a girl, my fault. She decided to hit the wall. If my phone dies, I apologize because they're taking a long time to get going. I'm on 4%. Shit, they're gonna fucking run out of fuel before anything. He's right there. I think that's your truck right there, isn't it? Yeah, right here, beside that white Dodge. Come on, guys. I'm on 3%. I'm gonna announce this again. This purple car coming out is 69er. It's actually pretty funny. She had a flat. She's coming back. Yeah. Like I said, 69er. It's pretty funny, I guess. All right.
Here we go.
I think we're going green. We're going green.
Going green this time.
Still got 3%. Holding 3%.
9 laps remaining. Bobby Roman, your leader. Ricky Weaver is second. Joshua Jr. is
Let's go, Dill!
Tyler Santee is
Going green this time. Come on, Dill. Get her up in there. I'm sorry, Kimberly, if my phone dies. Look, look, look. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go, Dill. Go. Oh, yellow flag again. Son of a bitch. Hey, look, if my phone dies, Kimberly, it's not my fault. Because these guys keep getting yellow flags. Don't know how to fucking drive.
So Tyler Santee, who was not flying for the infield of yellow number 47.
Man, fuck that tire. Hit that bitch and fucking let her roll.
Come on, Dill! Rims only in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Come on, Dill!
Let's go, Dill! Yeah, nobody knows how to drive. These two little yellow cars, I guess they were fighting over whose yellow looked better. All right, we're going green next time. We're down to 2%. We got 6 laps. We got 6 laps to go. I don't know if this iPhone's gonna hold this. Oh yeah, and Dill's in 5th. One thing I can say about this video, I bet you nobody has better commentary. Come on, Dill!
Bobby Roman out of your fourth. 36 short away.
Come on, Dill!
Come on, Dill! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Old Dilly Boy's 4th place, baby. Come on, boy. Come on, baby. You're doing good. Laps. Come on, Dill. Doing good, buddy. Yellow flag. That's what we needed. My phone's probably gonna die, but Dill has another chance to get up there. I'm here to report we have 1% left. It is not looking good. 1%.
Bye. Bye.
5 laps remaining.
5 laps remaining. Dill is holding a solid 4th. He's doing good.
Come on, Dill!
Let's go, Dylan! Get her done, baby. Yeah, 1%. 1% up. I'm crossing my fingers and my toes. Come on, man. What are these stragglers doing? Like, get them the fuck. Drop the green flag without them. Fuck them. All right, we're going green again. Come on.
Get on him, Dill!
Let's go, Dill! Yeah, from 16th to 4th. Come on, baby.
He's a hard charger.
Here we go, green flag. Off the track. We ain't trying to have no fucking yellow flag again. We only got 1% here. Come on, Dill. all she wrote. Have a good night, everybody. Oh, look, the cabbie blew up. Damn, if it would have happened a lap earlier.